Do you know how to create a calculated field? Let's find out how. The eval command in our search creates a result field that contains the value of the action field, but with the TCP prefix removed. This transformation is a good candidate for a calculated field. To create a calculated field, navigate to Settings, select Fields, then Calculated Fields. Click the New Calculated Field button. On the Add New Calculated Field page, select or confirm the destination app. Then select the source, source type, or host to apply the field to. Next, we'll enter a name for the calculated field and add the eval expression from the initial search. We'll select Save to finish creating the calculated field. The new field will now appear in the list. We will test the new calculated field by searching for events from the data source we specified during configuration. The new field will now appear in the field sidebar, and we can even make it a selected field to see it below each event.